morning, everyone. It's 6:30. I don't usually wake up this early on a weekend, but today is very special because I have an interview with Paper Like in the morning, 7:45, 8 a.m. and I want to be ready before that. I was so excited about this interview that I couldn't sleep much. Yeah, it's so funny. Exercise to get my blood rolling. Alright, let's take a shower.
I just wanna know if we're gonna be falling together forever,
Now let me get some breakfast. Today we're on track for the first time. I just reposted the Paper Like Insta story just to remind people that hey, it's gonna happen soon. Just gonna set up my iPad here, and if you can notice outside, it's still a bit dark because at this time around 7:30 a.m. it's just usually when the sun rises in Singapore. I'm just gonna take a few more minutes to calm myself down and review a few of my notes before I go on the interview, and I'll be right back. Don't worry, it's the same in Singapore. I don't know if you're gonna hear some jet fighter planes flying over me. Yeah, just random midday stuff when you're in a meeting, like Alright, Paper Like is live. It's game time, guys. I'm excited.
Let's see. My name is Chloe.
Hey Chloe!
Hi.
Hi! For my business, I use the iPad most of the time. Yeah. So everything's there. So when I go to see clients and discuss what our plans are and how the mood board would look like, or I show them some mock-ups.
We have a TikTok account, but I haven't done anything with it.
Oh yeah, I have a TikTok. I try to be on brand on TikTok, so I still just do mostly chalk. Yeah, likewise. I had fun talking to you. Thank you so much. So that was the end of my live session with Paper Like. It was fun. It was super casual, and yeah, I totally enjoyed myself. Before I continue working, I'm gonna rest for a bit, and I'll see you back in a few. On a normal weekend, I probably should still be sleeping. Usually I start at around 9:30, 10:30. I have a t-shirt giveaway it's a partnership with Design Hill and Typography Designers Club. We'll be drawing the winner by the end of the month, so I need to prepare my post. I'm not sure where this is going. It's not really working as I hoped it to be, so I'm probably gonna experiment a little bit more, and then it will probably take me a lot longer to finish this lettering today. I don't know how it will impact my schedule, but here's how it looks like right now. I'm not liking this part a lot. I like how this is very organic, but things don't seem to fit like how I want it to be. So I'm gonna take a few minutes off of this and then probably just gonna relax, do some TikTok and order some food. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this for a while and then come back to it later. While waiting for the food to arrive. Look, food's here. It's Vietnamese spring rolls. It's time to pour this sauce. How do vloggers do this one-hand recording thing? So it's now 2 p.m. and I just finished relaxing for a while and I'm now back on doing my lettering piece. I hope I can finish this in the next hour or so. Still a lot of things to do. According to my calendar, I'm running a little behind on schedule, but it's okay. I think I've been really productive already. I usually don't start as early as I do. I already managed to get a lot of things done today. Yeah, back to work. But before that, it's time to make my coffee. Okay, I'm so smart. I didn't put any coffee inside before I pressed start, so I'm gonna have to redo that again. Time to put it back here. Let's choose a random capsule, and the winner is... No, I don't want to red. Purple. It's Inspirazione Firenze. I feel so smart. Don't you find that relaxing? Yeah. Okay, Google. Play some party music on Spotify.
Alright, the Spotify playlist called Teen Party. Here you go.
I just finished doing the giveaway cover photo. Took a lot longer than I imagined it to be, but at least I'm done. Here's the final output. I'm happy with how it looks. It's very leafy. You can't see the details from here, but I'm gonna show it here. And I'm just gonna rest for a bit and then continue working in a while. So the next thing I need to do is to edit a video. I hope it doesn't take too long to do that. I realized that when I was filming the video yesterday, it's a lot easier to make a video if the script is complete. I now suddenly want to create a DIY teleprompter just to make it easier for me to do videos next time. So I'm still editing this vlog, but I'm really glad that this time I had a script in place, so it was easier to sort out the video clips, and all I need to do is edit out all those oohs and ahs and nonsense clicking sounds that I apparently make. And I hope to finish this within the next hour. Yeah, so I've finally done with the edits. The only thing left to do is the thumbnail. And it's already nighttime, 7 p.m. I'm super tired and sleepy. I'm just gonna eat dinner and should I exercise? Should I exercise, Pao? Aloy?
Yes.
Yes. Wait, so I've been sort of forced to join this yoga exercise session today. I'm hungry! Let's do this! So, I quit halfway through. I'm so tired. But it's time to eat. My dinner is some leftover rice from yesterday and some leftover food from lunch. I'm back in my room and I forgot to schedule the Instagram post that should have gone up today, so I'm just gonna manually post it. Yes, so here it is. Here it is. I finished prepping all the stuff and I just need to click post. Waiting for it to upload. Bam! It's here, it's me! And it's time to take a shower. Yeah, shower done. And I'm just gonna grab something to drink and then chat with one of my favorite people in the world. Hey, what's up everyone? Hello. So there you have it. This is my day in the life. I'm super tired. I couldn't sleep last night and I woke up so early and now I'm sleeping late. I need to hit the sack. Yeah, so I'll see you again next week. Bye.